Today we'll see how you can make your own fridge at home. Stick to granite-like slab together with a glue. Then add cooling module, then with a correct measure cut out the hole and add the slab. On another slab, cut out rectangular shape. Cover the corners with aluminum foil. Connect the cooling module to correct switches. Connect them properly as shown in the video. Don't forget to connect the temperature sensor. These circuit connection can be tricky, so watch the video carefully. Drill a hole on the corners of the two slabs and make the wire connection out to switch. To hide the wires, cut the aluminum and put the wires on it and then cover it again with the foil. Follow properly. Put adhesive on the base and apply coating. Follow this for all the sides. Add LED lights wire and connect them to the switch. To hold up the slides, add small rectangular metal slab with the help of the screws. Make small cuts on big and bulky plastic. With this plastic and glue, stick them on the sides. To make place for the cooler, make a hole on the plastic and stick the cooler properly. At the last, add doors for the fridge with handle. To make the fridge more attractive, add cover to it. And you can even add your branded sticker. Now your own mini fridge is ready. Thank you for watching this video.